Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java operators. Class number 11. In this video, I will talking about arithmetic operators. Okay, so you see, I have a lot of operators. So the addition, subtraction, multiple division, modulus, increment and decrement. So those operators how to work in reality today I will going to show you. Okay, so let's get it started. So first we need to create a new project. And select a Java and then next, and select a project name. I select here operators. Okay, and then finish. Okay, that's great. I got it, and I delete those things. And delete also this line. Okay, perfect. Now first of all I will show you addition. Okay, so what I will doing here, integer a equal to 10 and integer b equal to 30. Okay, here also integer result equal to and a plus b. Okay, I will include here print line, print statement. So SOUT and tab. Okay, this is the shortcut. Result. Okay, that's it. So everything I took, and now what I will doing here, so I do here a of value 10 and b of value 13. Okay, and then the another integer I take here, and then I take a result is a variable, and this variable I include ready to print, and this result have a on operation. This operation is a plus b, addition both of numbers. Okay, so the both of numbers addition together. Now let's see the result. Okay, that's it. Here I see 14. 10 and 30 is 14. Okay, if you include here minus, then it will be see a minus. Okay, we got minus 20. And if you include here multiple, then it will be work, of course. Okay, here you 300. If you include here division, then it's will be work. Okay, it's 0. If you change the value, then you will see another things. If I include here 100, then let's see. Okay, I got 3 result. Okay, or if you include here modulus, then I'm pretty sure you see. Okay, it's a 10. Okay, if you change value 5, then okay, it's a 0. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to learn increment and decrement. Okay, so I delete this thing. Okay, perfect. Now the result is a. Okay, so just check it. It's definitely print 10. Yeah, of course I got a 10. And now I include here increment assign. Okay, increment operator. So plus plus, just 2 plus. If you include here, then it will be going to increment. Okay, just is a 10, and now you see the 11. Okay, I got a 11. This is a 10. Okay, and this is the on increment here, just is the increment. This also doing decrement operators, just include a 2 minus, then yes, you will be see a decrement. Yes, I got a 9. Okay, here is the 10 and just increment operator, increment 1. Okay, then I will got a 9. So that's it, this video. It was the arithmetic operators of video. I am pretty sure you will understand better. If you have any question, of course you send me whatever your question, doesn't matter, I will try to answer you. Okay, so have a good day, see you the next video.